Gonna teach you how to factory reset Shark Robot Vacuum. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of Shark Robot Vacuum you have, you might want to perform a factory reset, and the process that I'm going to show you in this video will work for any of them. Sadly, for this particular method, you will need the application. I did a lot of research and I couldn't figure out a single method to perform a factory reset without the app. So sadly, if you want to follow along, you do have to use the application. I know some people aren't able to use it, but as it stands today, it seems like it's the only way to force a factory reset to happen on your Shark vacuum. So open the app, and in here, after you set it up, access these settings. Inside of the settings of the application, you will see all of the robots that you have registered. So choose the particular robot that you want to factory reset, and upon doing so, you will see a bunch of options. And if you look at the bottom, you will find Restore Factory Settings. So by using the app, going into the settings and tapping on your particular vacuum robot that you would like to reset, you will find the option available. Upon selecting this, the factory reset will begin. So they are going to list three major steps: syncing with your robot, deleting the robot data, and then restoring default settings, and you simply have to wait until this process is done. As you can see, they do mention that it can take a while, so be patient and wait. You don't have to do any additional input upon selecting this. If you have never connected your robot to the app, they will give you instructions upon downloading it, and you can manage it within the app. Of course, after this process is done, because the robot data will be deleted, you will have to reconnect it within the application, but that is easy to do, and after you reconnect it, it will be as if it was brand new. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset Shark Robot Vacuum. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.